how to turn on or turn off start picture-in-picture automatically on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on General. Next, tap on Picture-in-Picture, and then tap on the Start Picture-in-Picture automatically. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now when this is switched on, then it said that when you swipe up to go home or use other apps, videos and FaceTime calls will automatically continue in picture. So it will reduce to a small floating screen on your iPhone, and you can move towards picture-in-picture around your screen while you are using other apps. And that's it. Now you can swipe back to go back to the home screen. Okay, so here is an example. If I try to swipe up, and you can see now the FaceTime app has been going back into picture-in-picture, and in this dynamic island I can also view information such as I can control the volume, the microphone and the video cam, or I can close. Now I can tap on it to open up my FaceTime camera, and in here I can swipe up, and this is the picture-in-picture, and that's it. And that is how you can set picture-in-picture. So once it's started, it will stay on until the next time you start your picture-in-picture again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I'm just doing the code here, and that will close the picture-in-picture.